Hello everyone. So I read the comment wondering what to do about the fact that they're having trouble digesting and everything's not being absorbed well enough because they're throwing up a lot. And I talked to my physical therapist about it. And his suggestion is to try to do whatever you can to not make it into a wheelchair. I'll go into wheelchairs and other things either later in this video or in another video. But what his suggestion is Zenpep or other medications that may help you absorb or digest food faster to where it can move through easier, or somehow to help move things through faster so that you aren't throwing up as much, reducing nausea, anything like that. So seeing if you can do anything like that. Start off with any medications that may help that way. Because obviously you've tried probably every over-the-counter and non-medical way of keeping it under control. So then go to medications, which are a intervention, but not as high of an intervention level. If you've tried all medications, his next suggestion is to go for a NG tube. See if that helps keep stuff down, etc. And decide if that works or doesn't work, then move on from there. Basically, the idea being the least invasive thing you can do is the best, but to get your calories up. And what you are able to absorb up. Some other suggestions he does have for over-the-counter is Ensure and some of those high nutritional drinks, so that you're taking in more calories at once, more calories and more nutrition all at once. So even if you do throw up, you may have absorbed more, and liquids may not turn your stomach as bad. Another thing he did bring up was that it's really common for people with EDS to come up with allergies just out of the blue. And the more you have one type of diet, so if you are a mashed potatoes and steak and corn type of person, most of your meals are that, your chance of becoming allergic to mashed potatoes, steak, or corn is a lot higher. His suggestion is to kind of try to get as much variety as possible while still getting as much nutrition in as possible. His feeling is that part of the reason you probably are not able to exercise as much and do as much is because you just aren't getting enough calories to be able to fuel the healing your body needs to do, and then fuel activities of daily living, etc. So taking steps, like, okay, Ensure, but then maybe you do Ensure for a while and switch to a different brand, different things like that. Maybe make some of your own home smoothies with a variety of ingredients that you switch between. Or doing the same thing for a few months, a month or two, and then switch to something else, is so that you keep that variety going to reduce the chance of becoming allergic to one of those things. So that's his suggestions there. And I will go into in another video different things like wheelchairs and different adaptivity things, that what he feels about those things. So I hope that helps, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.